You know the only one difference between me and you? There's only one difference, and it's what every human being on this earth has in common. Do you know what it is? The difference between me and you. One word. Time. T-I-M-E. Everyone on this earth has 24 hours in a day. What do you do with your 24 hours? I'm asking you, what do you do with your 24 hours? Are you like everybody else that wastes your time? Time is so precious, friends. It is the most precious thing in the world. It's one thing that we do not have enough of, is time. So why are you sitting there feeling sorry for yourself, complaining, and doing absolutely nothing to change your life? Wake up. It is the time to make a difference, to be your best self. Give yourself to the world. You're gonna see your whole life changes when you stop thinking about you and you start serving others. This is precious. We don't get time back, okay? We all have 24 hours. Make the best of it. Do your best. Because sooner or later, your number's gonna be up. Your time on this beautiful Mother Earth is gonna be over. So please realize 24 hours in a day. We all got it. Nothing is different between me and you, except I optimize my time. I maximize it. And I do as much as I can do in my 24 hours. And that is the difference between me